my name is Amber Moore, and today we're going to do video quiz 2 of chapters 4 through 7. First question is, what was the key idea or ideas that stood out to you in this chapter? For chapter 4, it was knowing your audience so you can make the better connection, because knowing the audience better than just, hey, I'm going into a huge group of people, can make a big difference on the way you deliver your speech. And then chapter 5 was the breaking down of the purpose, so you can make a clear understanding for your audience regardless of who your audience is, and just so you have a clear understanding. Because if you cannot clearly state your purpose and your idea, how are you supposed to clearly deliver it and make sure your audience understands it? Chapter 6 goes along with that as well, with the outline, because the outline also helps clearly break down your purpose of the speech and delivering it. And then chapter 7 was the credible sources and citing, just to be sure you give the credit to those sources, both verbally and if you submit your speech written, also obviously written as well. Question 2, what did you learn in this chapter that you did not know before reading it? For chapter 4, it was how much of a difference visual aids can be. I've seen visual aids used before, but they were mainly in ineffective ways, like during high school classes and stuff like that. So it wasn't properly used the way it was described in this chapter. So after reading chapter 4, it made me better understand that visual aids should be used in a short manner, described right then and there, and put away, and to be more effective versus having it there the whole time distracting the audience when they should be listening. For chapter 5, it was the way you break down everything to get your point across. It was definitely a clearer, better way and idea. Instead of just like brainstorming and putting stuff together, it was definitely more clear and concise. Same with chapter 6 and 7. And then, why are these ideas important, and how can they be used in other areas in your personal and professional life? These ideas are important because if you can clearly give a speech and deliver it, then your audience will be able to understand you. But it is important to cite your sources, otherwise your credibility is not there, and also you're technically plagiarizing, especially if you're doing a quote. And then it can be used in your personal or professional life. But say you're taking a class like communications, for example, and you go to give your speech. When you apply those ideas to your speech, you will be able to better deliver your speech and also have your audience to have a better understanding and clear understanding. And then in your professional life, it just helps you clearly give a presentation or speech to a boss or anything you have that you need to give a presentation for. But that is all. Thank you.